Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Get ready to have your taste buds blown away because we're about to reveal the best tasting hamburger sandwich ever made. From the first bite, you'll experience a burst of flavors that will leave you craving for more. This masterpiece starts with a freshly baked brioche bun that's soft, yet sturdy enough to hold all the juicy goodness. The patty is made from the finest blend of prime ground beef, seasoned to perfection, and cooked to a mouthwatering medium rare. Every bite is a harmonious symphony of savory and slightly charred flavors. Now, let's talk about the toppings: pickles, onions, tomatoes, and lettuce, all sourced from local farmers for that extra burst of freshness. As you sink your teeth into this succulent creation, you'll taste how the ingredients come together in perfect harmony. Once you've experienced this masterpiece, your search for the ultimate hamburger sandwich will be over. And of course, we can't forget the star of the show, the secret sauce, a carefully crafted balance of sweet and tangy flavors. Juicy, tender, and full of flavor, this hamburger sandwich is a culinary delight that will satisfy even the most discerning foodie. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your friends, fire up the grill, and get ready to make the best tasting hamburger sandwich ever.